So, welcome to all of you. Myself, Lokesh Kumar Tawar, Assistant Professor, School of Nursing, Sanskrit University, Mathura. Today, we will discussing about the National Population Policy 2000. So, it is important that the controls of the population to maintain the our resources and the future generation. So, today we will discussing about the National Population Policy 2000. So, first we have Introduction of the National Population Policy. So first 2000 India projected billion pupils, 2.4% global land in area. Our land area, or it means geographical area of the world is only 2.4%. But ours is a population in the world is second largest population. So it will be a need to control the population to maintain the our resources for the future generation. So then India's current annual increase population, India current increase the annual population 15.5 billion is a large enjoy neutralize efforts. So it is a large number of population to neutralize efforts of conservation the resources and environment. So it is important to the control the population to enjoy a proper resources and environment because higher number of the population d- provide the higher chlorofluorocarbon carbon dioxide that will be affected to the environment like temperature increase that will be harmful for the forest and the others animal, then the ecosystem is not maintained properly. Next, what is a population policy? So, population measuring format range of social institutions, including the governments. Many influence the size, so that it will be influence the size, distributions, composition of human population. It will be increase the size of the population. So we will focus to the size of the population, distribution the different areas. Likes the population distribution is a hilly and tribal area is a population density is very low. Then we will see in the any metro cities the population density is a very high. So a relevant for the national government provide a policy. Then we will control the demographic fertility, different types demographic variables in life, fertility, motility. So fertility is a total fertility rate, like a birth rate, and then motility rate. So we will control the fertility rate and the motility rate to maintain the stability of the population. A set of coordinator, it will be set of coordinator of the law according to the, we will make the formulated the policy according to the law that will prevent the human rights. So we will provide the a set of the frameworks, but not control to the human is a properly restriction of the total fertility, because it is a right of the any human being to fertility. So then we will provide the population control policy, but not restrict to the people. So we will working according the Indian constitution for control the population. After, there will be many committees established in our country that will be provide the framework data for the control of the population. First committee is established in 1943, sir, in the headship of Sir Joseph Bore. They will provide the report in 1946 Bore committee report. After the 1952 family planning program. The family planning program is a two type of family planning program: contraceptive program and permanent method or is a temporary method. So we will provide the temporary method by the government of India to control the population. After the 1926 statement of national population policy. After 1976 statement of national population policy for the control of the population. After 1970 policy statement for family welfare program. So then after 1977 for policy statement on the family welfare programs control the population. After then 1983 national health policy emphasized the need. After the 1983 coming to the national health policy, that will be seen that the our resources infrastructure is not properly provide the proper the care of the peoples, that will be need the control the population. After that, 1991 National Development Council appointment as a committee. The National Development Council appointment a committee to control the population, separate department. After the 93, that's Dr. Swaminathan. The Dr. Swaminathan group prepared a draft and discuss, prepare a proper draft and framework that will be make for the control of the population in cabinet and then parliament. First, then the draft provided in the cabinet. After then is a parliament. After then, 1991 Circulate and Requested Committee, Circulate and Requested Committee, Central and State Agency, Central and State Committee reporting. After then, 1997 promotes to announce the policy in a near future. So it will be clear that the need a proper committee and then in the future easily in the cabinet ministry. 99 another draft policy was finished and finalized on 19 in 1997 another draft policy is clear and then it is provided in the report in 1997. So it will be very important for to control the population. After we will discuss the population growth, crude birth rate, death rate, and sex ratio. So 1990, 91, 1952, and 2001. Population in million. First, we will discuss 238.4. 1951, 361, and 2001, 1028. The deputy average annual expenditure growth is here 1.25% and 1.9%. In the sex ratio, females also decrease in the generation 1972 in 1901. After the 1951, 1946, 2001, 933. Population Projection Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Program 1991, 2001, 2011, 2016. Below 5 year 12.18, 2001 10.17, 2011 10.10, in 2016 9.7. Different types rates. It will be so that our country is a young population is a increase. That will be important for the future development of any country. That young population is a higher amount that will be easily working and that will be occupational increasement in the country for growth. So it will be a positive point for our country. Next set behavior set the three types of goal to control the population. First is the immediate objective, mid-term objective, and long-term plan. So first we have focus to the immediate to address the unmet need. Contraception healthcare infrastructure. First we have provide the contraception method like temporary and permanent methods, barrier methods, and healthcare infrastructure. We have developed the healthcare infrastructure like primary health center, community health center, and others centers for the provide the proper healthcare facility in the future and health personnel. And after then we will make sure to the maintain a proper health personnel like doctors, paramedical staff, nurses, and other worker that will be need for proper running of a health infrastructure hospitals. After then delivery for a basic reproductive and child health care. After that we will focus for the basic child health care. Next, we have for the mid-term objective, medium-term objective to bring the total fertility rate, to replacement level by 2010 through the vigorous implication of intersectoral operational strategy. Next, we will discuss the long-term policy. The government of India said the to achieving stable population in 2045. Stable population means it is a population of birth rate and death rate is equal. So to control the development and environment protection that will be main the population ratio is stable, that will be ecosystem is maintained. Program implemented achieving medium goal aims to 2010. We will set the aims for 2010 like infant mortality rate below 30 per 1000 live birth. After that, we will set the maternal mortality rate MMR is a set for 2010 100 per 1 lakh live births. After then, we will set for 80% institutional delivery. We will ensure that 80% institutional delivery till 2010. Now we will it will be updated for 100% institutional delivery. Next, we will target for the 100% registration of vital event. Vital event like birth registration, death registration, marriage registration is a 100% registration that will provide a proper data for the future program making and draft policy making. Next, midterm population total fertility rate replacement level. So it will be next midterm rate is a total fertility rate replacement policy. Next, we have theme to achieving the objective, decrease the planning and implementation, decentralize the planning and implementation of the program. We will day by day implementation to the program, day by day implementation program. Converge the service delivery of grassroots. We will working for the grassroots, like we will working for the subcenter, PSC for proper control of the population condition. Empowering women and encouragement male involvement. We will empowerment provide to the women, or we will ensure the male involvement into the in this program. Male involvement is necessary to control this program. Meeting unmet need for a family welfare services. We will provide the meeting unmet need for family welfare service, addressing the need of disadvantaged and underserved population group, addressing the unmet disadvantaged and underserved population group, encouraging public private partnership. It will be encouraging public private partnership because some programs, some healthcare conditions like tuberculosis cannot control by the government properly. So they will increase the public private partnership to control the population, proper control population. Healthcare infrastructure. Next, public sector. Public sector is a district level. After that, community health center, primary health center, and sub center. So public health sector is a sub public health sector district level is a hospitals, every establishment in every district. After then, we will establishment of the community health center. Community health center involvement establishment every 80,000 population of the hilly and tribal area, and plan area of it will be after 1 lakh 20,000 population, 1 lakh 20,000 population. And we will establishment of the primary health center establishment and every 30,000 population in a plain area, and 20,000 population is a hilly and tribal area. After then, we will establishment of sub-center. So sub-center establishment in 3,000 population of the hilly and tribal area, and 5,000 population of establishment of a plain area. So it will be establishment of district level hospital every district, community health center establishment every it 1 lakh 20,000 population in plain area, and 80,000 population is a hilly and tribal area. Then after then, we will establishment of primary health center. Primary health center establishment is 30,000 population in a plain area, and 20,000 population is a hilly and tribal area. After then, we will establishment of the sub center. Sub center is established in a 3,000 population in the hilly and tribal area, and 5,000 population of a plain area. So we will I am previously discussing all the plan area, hilly 30,000 for plan area, 20,000 CSC. Next, we will discuss the private sector, informal, indigenous, not for profit, formal, or for profit. 5 type hospitals established in the private sector. So first is informal hospitals, indigenous systems में चाहिए Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha types hospitals. Next is a not for profits. It is a NGO non-government organization of hospital that will establishment not for profit. After we will establish the formal hospitals like the multi-specialty hospital, and some for profit like super specialty hospitals, Medantas, and other types of hospital, Apollo hospitals that will working for as a industries working for profitable work. Some hospitals for not profitable work that will be establishment by the non-government organization like Tata Memorial Centers is a non-profitable. Next, indigenous system. Next, the healthcare reforms, publication reproductive, public-private partnership. Public-private partnership is a central government scheme that will provide the healthcare facilities is a economical nominal rate. So we will providing the economic nominal rates pharmacists like Pradhan Mantri, like PMs, medicine services, laboratories, and blood banks. That will be services provide the nominal rate to the normal population to the control of health care facilities. Next, program for bill plan implementing coming day. Revised national population policy aimed to improving quality of life in the country. The revised national population policy is improving the life of country peoples. Next, revised policy focusing on improving health managing, urbanization. Next, urbanization and gender sensitivity development. Urbanization and gender sensitivity development programs running in the country. Next, population policy, national population policy for working control of the population. National Commission for Population formulated 11th May 2000, reconstruction in February 2005. Member chairman is a main chairman, after then deputy chairman, two vice chairman and secretary. That will be a framework of the total members of the National Commission of Population. Is a aims of the policy to review, monitor, and give direction for the implementation national health population plan. So this committee is the main aims to control the national population policy, promote synergy between the demography, educational environment, and the development program. It will be program for demographic data like age, male and females, and other educational system, environmental maintenance and development program. Next, to promote intersectoral coordination, to promote the intersectoral coordination in planning and implementation, like intersectoral coordination like school coordination, non-government organization coordination, and other agency coordination. First meeting held in 23 July 2005. Survey for our district identified the weakness in the healthcare delivery system. That survey provide to the data that will be assessment evaluate that are the weaker point of the district that will be not providing proper healthcare facilities. State Population Commission जनसंख्या सहायता कोर्स ऑब्जेक्टिव is a to facilitate goal support project scheme initiative and to introduce innovative ideas, provide the innovative idea to control the population and ideas both in government and voluntary sector. That will be working in the government and also voluntary. The voluntary organization they will working for the non-profit for the community wellness. Next, family planning program. Family planning program provide the family planning program for control the birth by two types of family planning program: permanent and temporary method. Family planning performance, sterilization, vasectomy and tubectomy. Vasectomy and tubectomy two types of the family planning program for the female and male. Vasectomy in conducted in the males and tubectomy in female for permanent sterilization. Next, IUD intrauterine device insertion like copper T for control of the population is a temporary methods of population controls. Next, condoms users for oral pills users. Condoms is a barrier methods of contraception after the oral pills. Uh, All India Family Planning acceptors. Our country accepted the family planning program in 1980, 2000 and 2007 8 data. It will indicate sterilization is 2053 2053, in a population. Then after then 2000, we will then the data is a slowly increase 4,735 sterilization. After 2007 to 8 5,000, that will be increased doubles after the 20 year. The IUD insertion case also 628 in 1980, 2000 is a 6,047. After then 2007 8 we will that 6,072. It will be day by day increasing. Next, National Rural Health Mission (NHM) establishment, preconception and prenatal diagnostic technique, provision of the sex determination in the 1994 for the control of the sex ratio. Population program scheme, basic infrastructure like subcenter established in till date 1,46,000, and primary health center established 23,000, and community health center also established 4,000, more than 4,000. Janani Suraksha Yojana also come for the institutional delivery. Family welfare linked the health insurance scheme. Family welfare program also linked with the health insurance scheme. Compensation for acceptance of sterilization. Compensation provided for the tubectomy and vasectomy sterilization program. Population Research Center also establishment for the control of the population ratio. So thank you so much all of you for your attention.